a spicy deep fried chicken dish from Hotel Buhari in Chennai. While this dish has many versions and stories for its name that are downright bizarre, from being made out of 65 spices to the dish being marinated for 65 days, this dish has it all. Today, I'll be showing you the version which I follow. Let's make chicken 65. Hello guys, I'm Vamsi and you're watching VR Cooks. If you're new here, please consider subscribing as I post quick and easy recipes. You can also check out our playlist for simple recipes in the I button. So let's get to the recipe. I've taken around 250 grams of boneless chicken, nicely cleaned and cut into cubes. So first thing that I'm gonna do is marinate the chicken pieces. So to do that, I have a cup of curd over here. Let me add it to the chicken. Now goes in the ginger garlic paste, some salt, chili powder, cumin powder, and some chopped curry leaves. And yes, not to forget the lemon juice. And mix it well, mix. And when it's a South Indian dish, to spice things up, you have to add some pepper. So let's add some pepper. Mix well and set it aside for a good 45 minutes. So the next step is to fry the chicken pieces. Add oil sufficient for deep frying. And while the oil heats up, add 2 tablespoons each of rice flour and corn flour to the marinade and give it a good mix. Add some oil as well. Usually the street vendors and in the restaurants, they add food color to get that nice reddish color, but I have not added it here. You can always add it, it's optional. So we are ready with the chicken. We have the oil heated up. It's time to deep fry the chicken. So put the chicken pieces in the oil. Make sure you don't put a lot of it in a go. Little by little, one at a time. Enjoy the sound the oil makes. Now fry the chicken until crisp. Looks great. See that nice color? The Buhari style of chicken 65 is meant to be dry. So I would be tossing it up with ginger, garlic and chillies. For that, take a pan and heat a tablespoon of oil. Add garlic, ginger, green chilies, add some curry leaves as well, and saute. Now add the fried chicken pieces and give it a toss, like this. Finally top it up with some lemon juice and serve it piping hot. This aromatic dish combines some exotic flavors that's sure to spice up your evening meal. Chicken 65 served. Do try the recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. If you like the video, hit that like button and do subscribe to VR Cooks. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.